Hello, my name is Anna Zaboeva.
I'm on Audiovestic.
It's quite cool. You made it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Did you figure it out all yourself?
No.
Oh, we did it together. Was it like your first sandal you made?
Yeah, it was my first sandal.
Wow, like really impressive, really cool. It's like a monkey thing. Did you design it yourself too?
I got the like base pattern, and then I like drew
The face?
the face.
The impression? Yeah, I see you like did lots of trials, right? So can I ask you questions like how did you do it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you keep the sole always the same, and by changing the top, you get like completely different designs.
Yeah.
That's really fascinating. What tools people need to make exactly same shoes?
Definitely need a ruler, and then a pencil or whatever to make your markings and draw.
Cutting board is essential to protect your table.
Yeah.
But you don't have to use like professional like us. You can use like linoleum
or like
something.
cardboard or whatever.
Even cardboard, but it will like wear off faster than that.
Yeah.
So it makes sense to invest like 10 euro in a cutting board.
Yeah, but if you just want to make one pair, it's fine if you don't buy one.
Yeah. It's your table,
Scissors are a cool tool.
What is this?
This is hole puncher. I
The
guess.
hole puncher, yeah.
Yeah, for like the insole, it's like prefer to use it because
Yeah, it's hard to get the cut, yeah. To get like a very specific ends of the cut, it's good to mark the hole in it. And also to do all sorts of like perforations. How did you do this really cool flower eye?
I use it's like different shaped.
The hole puncher.
Yeah, the hole puncher.
Is that it?
They're like basically like this, and use a hammer to punch it.
Yeah.
And they have different sizes and symbols and shapes and everything.
Yeah. Can you use this hammer?
You could use like whichever hammer.
This is like a special shoemaking hammer, and this is like basic one. So you get most of the tools in a basic woodworking store. So it's not so many stuff, right? Like to cut a face, you use the surgeon knife and hole punchers and a little bit of scissors. You cut the sole with the
using hole punchers
and the knife. And the sole as well.
Yeah, sole also.
Yeah, and the sanding machine.
Yeah, you can use sandpaper or a sanding machine to make it all smooth and equal. And in case if you don't have any, you can maybe ask stronger friends, or if you have enough hand strength, and use force, and just with the knife you can cut it all.
So basically, you're done. That's all. That's all you need to make the sandals. So cool. Do you guys want to try? Do it yourself? Subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook, whatever.